Cyber threats are constantly evolving, and organizations must stay ahead of attackers by leveraging threat intelligence and monitoring for indicators of compromise, IOCs. Threat intelligence is the process of gathering, analyzing, and applying information about cyber threats to enhance security defenses. It helps organizations understand the latest attack techniques, threat actor motivations, and emerging vulnerabilities. Meanwhile, IOCs serve as red flags, helping security teams detect signs of a compromise before major damage occurs. In this lesson, we will explore what threat intelligence is, different types of threat intelligence, the role of IOCs in cybersecurity, common IOC categories, and best practices for using threat intelligence effectively. Threat intelligence involves collecting and analyzing data from multiple sources to identify potential cyber threats. The goal is to provide actionable insights that help security teams prevent, detect, and respond to attacks. Cybercriminals constantly adapt their tactics, techniques, and procedures, TTPs, making real-time intelligence essential for staying ahead. Threat intelligence feeds, reports, and automated security solutions enable organizations to make informed security decisions. There are three main types of threat intelligence that organizations rely on. Strategic threat intelligence, which focuses on high-level insights for executives. Tactical threat intelligence, which details attacker techniques for security teams. And operational threat intelligence, which provides real-time data on active threats such as malware signatures and attack campaigns. Indicators of compromise, IOCs, are forensic clues that suggest a system or network has been breached. They act as warning signs, allowing security teams to detect malicious activity early. IOCs are essential for threat hunting as they help analysts identify ongoing or past cyber attacks. By recognizing IOCs, security teams can quickly isolate infected systems, investigate breaches, and prevent further damage. Common IOCs include unusual network traffic, suspicious file modifications, unauthorized login attempts, malicious email attachments, and system behavior anomalies. These signs help analysts detect malware infections, phishing campaigns, or unauthorized access attempts. To effectively collect and analyze threat intelligence, organizations use specialized tools such as the MITRE ATT&CK framework, VirusTotal, and SIEM solutions like Splunk and IBM QRadar. Threat intelligence platforms like Anomaly and Recorded Future aggregate data from multiple sources, providing actionable insights for security teams. Open-source threat feeds like AlienVault OTX and MISP offer real-time intelligence on emerging threats. By integrating these tools, organizations can continuously monitor evolving threats and improve incident response efficiency. Threat intelligence and IOCs are actively used for threat hunting, automated threat detection, malware analysis, and risk assessment. Security teams leverage intelligence to identify attack patterns, prioritize patching, and enhance security controls. Best practices for leveraging threat intelligence include continuously updating threat feeds, correlating intelligence with internal logs, automating detection and response, and participating in information sharing communities. By adopting a proactive, intelligence-driven approach, organizations can stay ahead of cybercriminals and minimize security risks. In conclusion, threat intelligence and indicators of compromise are essential components of modern cybersecurity. By integrating real-time intelligence and continuously monitoring for IOCs, organizations can detect, prevent, and respond to cyber threats more effectively. In the next section, we will explore real-world threat intelligence case studies, showcasing how organizations have successfully mitigated cyber threats using IOCs and intelligence feeds. Stay tuned.